In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then click on a perfect theme for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you finished, hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, click on the same icon, and this time use this +1 under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!